Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send order confirmation email in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to go to our WooCommerce extension or plugin and start using the setups. So here, I'm just going to click on WooCommerce, and after that, we need to go to settings. And basically here we can find the emails. So after that, we will need to get a WP mail SMTP so you can set up your SMTP server or the mailing server. And as you can see now, you can choose the content type for email. And what we are interested in is the order confirmation. So now you can start choosing your email sender option and many other things. But what we want to do is to go to the recipient, and then we will need just to go to the completed order or confirmed order. So here I'm just going to click on manage, and after that you will need to complete the order and make sure that is enabled. And from here you can start adding the email type or adding the content of the emails and all the informations about the email. For example, here we can name it confirmation email, etc. And after that, you will need just to click the save the changes and start again modifying or managing your emails by setting up your SMTP server and also to choose or to set up the email sender options and also to choose your email templates, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.